can speak. Okay, you may write your name, number, and comment it down below. So we will start in 9 minutes. Please tell your friends to be online now so we can start right away at 1 o'clock, 1:20. For the meantime, you may listen to YouTube videos, or you can listen to your favorite music in YouTube. Yes, Nanapas, welcome to our class, the P. And what is it? Are you? Yes, that's our review about LCN. That's the answer. Okay, we can have it later. Yeah, welcome, Trison, Tamchinda of M3/2, Warada Kayatsit Manchon of M3/2, and Punyarit Sukpanichan, M3/8. So for M3/2, we met yesterday and I changed a bit about the examples. So I'm expecting that M3/2 students know more about this because we met yesterday in the classroom. And I would like to remind you that you cannot comment any bad word. Last time, one student from M3/2 was called by the Thai teacher because of your behavior. And I asked you to come and meet me yesterday, but you did not come. Student from M3/2. So I think I don't need to mention your number. Maybe next time if you will not come to me. Pornpawi, welcome. Tata Chanon. Paniti of M3/4. Teacher Dol, Chayapat, good afternoon. So again, we will start in 7 minutes. Yanisa, Pornpawi, both from M3/8. My office again is at M3 office, second floor of St. Peter building. I would like to remind the students from M3/7 that you always submit your work in the other office, which is the IEP office. I do not stay in the IEP office. I stay in M3 office of St. Peter building. Okay. Remember the leader of M3/7. Atiwan, welcome. Jan Tanarat, Tamachat, Watsapon, Natanan, Yanisa. Yes, hi. Who is it? Can you type your name in English? My name is not Edma. It's Edna. EDNA. It's EDNA. This is Edna. And this one, EDNA. Again, you cannot comment using bad word or you will be blocked from this online class. Okay, type your name, number, and of course your class. Where do you belong? Do you belong to M3/1, 2, 3 until 8? Tornpat, welcome, Lalikpad, Taraton. Kanta, Little Heart, Pichayot. Favorite of M3/5, welcome. How many students are online? Is it 44 or 73? Is it 44? Number of students online. 44. What is 76? What is 76?
76.
Everything. Including all computer. Okay, we will start in 2 minutes, so be ready if you have questions later or if you want to jot down some notes or can solve some problems. Our lesson for today is not that hard, it's easy. So our time is from 1:20 until 2:10, and I will be off maybe around 2 p.m. or before that time, depending on your maybe participation in that. Not tapat, okay. Fumates, Grantarat from M3/8, you're here. Ratchapon, Pukawin of M3/4, Crisipong, M3/7, Patun Corn, Tanakit. Okay? Welcome again to our class. Area M3/3. Last time I wrote some names of students who participated in the online discussion. Okay, it's now 1:20 and we will start with our live streaming class for M3 Mathematics. I am again Miss Edna, and this is our 5th online class, and I hope that you are all doing fine. My office is at M3 office, 2nd floor of St. Peter building. So I would like you to avoid using bad word. Be polite in the comment section because this is a public, how do you call it? This is a public, it's like a public place. So please be aware that you cannot comment any bad word, otherwise you will be blocked. So we begin with the recalling of LCM or least common multiple. So for example, when you were in, I think, grade 6 or P6, Find the LCM of the following, the least common multiple. So we do this first so that you will understand what is it. So let me write. So when you were in grade 6 or P6, when you have 12 and 24 as the numbers, so how do you find the LCM or the least common multiple? So you do like this, 12, the multiple of 2, so we start with 12, and then 24, listing method, 36. For 24, the multiples of 24 are 24. Next we have 48, and we have more. Okay, as you can see, there is a least or the smallest common multiple. The smallest is this number, which is 24. So the answer is 24. Just find the smallest. Okay, number 2, so we have to do this fast because this is just a review of what you had when you were in grade 6 or P6. How about 7 and 10? The multiples of 7 and 10. So we have 7, it's like skip counting. The next is 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3 is 21. Then we have a lot more. Next, after 21, we have 28, 35. Next will be 42, 49 a lot, and then 56, 63, 70. How about for 10? What are the multiples of 10? We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70, and many more. So the lowest common multiple is this number, 70. So the LCM of 7 and 10 is 70, or by just looking, you know already the answer. So I'm just reviewing what you had when you were in grade 6. So what we had last week is about division of algebraic fractions. So we will also recall this. Okay. Example number 1, only one number. Write the solutions and final answer. This was our lesson last week. Okay, just type your name and class, and don't forget your number for your attendance. Okay, so this for the solution, we'll have here okay, SOL. We have 3x plus 6 all over 2 and times. The reciprocal is 4 over x plus 2, and get the common factor of 3x plus 6, and that is 3. Quantity of x plus 2 over 2 times 4 over x plus 2, and then you can now cancel x plus 2 and x plus 2. Sorry, I did it on the other side. Okay, let me write again, x plus 2. Okay, so it should be on the other side. Okay, let me change. Okay, this is x plus 2 and x plus 2, and then we have 4 divided by 2 is 2. I can have here 2, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the remaining numbers are 3 and 2. 3 and 2, you multiply 3 and 2, and the answer is equal to 6. So this is what we had last week. For those who were absent last week, so I hope that you can follow the lessons that we had, not only last week but the previous weeks for the month of July. Okay? Our new topic is about addition of algebraic fractions. The objectives of today's lesson is for you students to add algebraic fractions and simplify algebraic fractions. For the vocabularies, we have 3 words: least common multiple, or the LCM. The next is this, the like fractions, this. Okay. Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. unlike fractions or fractions with different denominators. So we'll have examples for these two types of fractions. Let me erase this first. Okay. To add like fractions, just add the numerators and copy the same denominator. For example, number 1, for like fractions. So when you were in primary or grade, I don't know which, grade 3, grade 2 maybe. So add and simplify the following fractions. So these fractions are like fractions. So this, okay. So when we say like fractions, they have the same denominator. So the denominators here are, okay, we have 7, 7, 5, and 5. They have the same denominator. So these fractions are called like fractions. Like fractions. So how do you do this? So we have this one. Just copy the denominator, which is 7, and then add 1 and 3 is equal to 4 over 7. This is now the answer. Okay? The next is this. 4 fifths plus 1 fifth. Copy the denominator, which is 5, and add 4 and 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 5. The next one is simplified. The answer is equal to 1. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Okay. Next is, how about algebraic fractions? How to add algebraic fractions? If your fractions are like fractions, so this, maybe with yellow, this one, algebraic. Can you see it? Okay, let me erase. It's not that clear. Okay, anyway, so this, okay, all of it. How to add like fractions? So, when we have, by the way, algebraic fractions are fractions which involve letters or variables. Example, x, y, or a. So for now, we have to do it. Add algebraic fractions. Example number 1, 12 over a plus 13 over a. So the answer is equal to this. Copy the same denominator, which is a, and add 12 and 13. The answer is 25 over a. That's it. The second one is 3a over 4x plus 2a over 4x. They have the same denominator, so copy the same denominator for x, and then copy the numerator 3a plus, copy 2a, and add the numerator. 3a plus 2a is 5a over 4x. And this is the answer. Okay. The next is number 3. Okay, for number 3, so we'll have here, they have the same, again, the same denominator, so just copy 3x minus 1, and you copy the numerator 2 and 5, and then add them. So it's 7 over 3x minus 1, and this is the answer. This is on how to add very simple algebraic fractions. Let's move on to the next. Unlike fractions, when we say unlike fractions, they have different denominators. So it's a little bit complicated, but it's not that hard. So to add unlike fractions to this, we factorize the denominator first, this one. Okay, the second is find the LCM or lowest common multiple. The third is rewrite the fraction with a common denominator. And of course, we simplify. We follow these 4 steps. Example number 1. So let's recall first on how you add numerical fractions. These fractions do not involve variables, no x, no y, or know any letter of the English alphabet. So when you were in maybe P2, P3, you had this. Let's recall using two numbers. So these fractions have different, you look 5 and 3, they have different denominators. So what you do for the first step is find the LCM of 5 and 3. What do you think is the LCM of 5 and 3? Can you comment your answer below? Let's see if who can answer first about the LCM of 3 and 2. And I will write your name, I'll check your name. I have here the list of students with your scores. So maybe I can take your number for additional points. Okay? Can you type your answer? LCM of 5 and 3. It's easy. Okay? What's the answer? Yes. Arayalin from M3/3, number 35. That's correct. Full names, M3/8. Okay, I'll better write first the number M3/8. And that's number 21. Number 15. Area is M3/3, number 35. Yes, I got your answer. Yes. And the last is this number 1, then Jayapad M3/8, number 8 also. And one more, the first 5, I don't know your number, your class number, Chalong Chat, Tab. Yes, okay, I need only, yeah, and many more. I'll go back to this video later to give some more points. So I have here number 21, 15, and 1 of M3/8. And also from M3/1, number 35, and I'll have to look at it. Okay, the next maybe 5 more students for additional points. Okay, that's correct. So the answer is 15. Divide 15 by 3. 15 divided by, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Multiply to 1. So 1 times 3 plus 15 divided by 3 is 5. So it's 4 times 5 and simplify. So we have 3 plus 20, which is equal to 23 over 15. No need to write the answer in decimal. So the answer is 23 over 15. The next is this. LCM is 20. Yeah? 20 divided by 5 is 4. Multiply 4 to 3 plus 20 divided by 4 is 5 and multiply to 1. So the answer here is 12 plus 15 all over 20, and the answer is 37 over 20. That's it. So this is on how to add unlike fractions when you were in primary. Now we do the unlike algebraic fractions. Full means, yeah, that's it. Okay, we're done with it. So example number 1, 2 over a plus 3 over 2a. So notice, sorry, what is it? No, not yet. Let me go back to the slide. I was, okay, sorry. Sorry for that. Where is it? Okay, here. Okay. Okay, number 1. So for the solution, okay, I'll have it here. I hope that you can see it. Yeah? Okay. So A and 2A are different. These fractions have different denominators. So find the LCM of A and 2A. So the answer is 2A. Yes. Fulawat, you're very fast. Yes. 2A. Panakota 3/8, number 18. Correct. Yes. So we have 2A. 2A divided by A is 2, yeah, and multiply 2 to this. So we have here 2 times 2 plus 2a divided by itself is 2a, so just copy 3. So the answer is 4 plus 3, which is 7 over 2a. Let me check. 2a, 2a, 4, 2a, 3, 7 over 2a. Yes. Okay, number 2. Yes. Tintanat, correct. Yes. Mati, Tachai, you just came online. Hanisara, yeah, what is it? No panat. What is it? LCM is 5x. You've seen the next. Okay, no, not. Okay, what do we have? Yes. What is it? Yes, correct. That's it. It's 5x. LCM is 5x. 5x divided by 5x is the same. So just copy 3a plus 5x divided by x is 5. Multiply 5 to 2a. Okay, let me erase and make it bigger. Okay, my handwriting is small and I hope that you understand my handwriting. Again, over 5x. So it's 3a plus 5x divided by x is 5. I write 5 and multiply 5 to this, 2a. 2a times 5. And we have here 3a plus 10a all over 5x. So the answer is 13a over 5x. This is it. Yes. Tirapat, that's the LCM of x and 5x. Correct. Also, not takon or not takan of M3/8, number 31. Okay. Let's move on to example number 3 on how to add unlike fractions. Okay, Kantawit, make sure that you can follow. You just came online. Welcome to my class. Okay, what do we have here now? Yes, Araya, that's the answer. So number 3. Number 3 is, what's this? Uh-oh. Let me go back to this. What number? Number 3. Okay. So for number 3, we have equals. What is the LCM of 7x and 5y? Students, can you comment down below the LCM? Chayot, 3/8. Number 8, that is correct. Also, that's, M3/1, number 39, yes? Oh, yes, very good, you're too fast. That's correct also, area, Fumids, correct. Boss, ACT, very good, it's so fast. Okay, it's easy. So it's 35xy. Divide 35xy by 7x. The answer is 5y. Multiply 5y to 2 plus 35xy divided by 5y is 7x. Multiply 7x to this, to x. Let me check my answer. 35xy by 7x is 5y. 35xy divided by 5y is 7x. Okay, so this is equal to 2 times 5y is 10y plus x times 7x is 7x squared all over 35xy. And we can rewrite the numerator so that the first expression has squared or x squared. Yeah, okay, plus 10y all over 35xy. So there is no common factor in the numerator, so we cannot do something about this now. And this is the answer. This is the answer. Do you have questions? Chayapat, yes, that's the LCM. M3/3, that's the LCM, correct? Okay, did you get the answer correctly, the final answer? Yes or no? Tanan 8, could you please write your number, your class, and your number for the attendance? Just like Kochapon of M3/1, number 45, complete your name, class, and number. Did you get the answer correctly? Final answer, yes or no? There's no answer yet. Hello? What's the answer? Okay, maybe yes, you're busy writing. Okay, next we have number 4. Yeah, number 4. For number 4, example number 4, on how to add and like algebraic fractions. Yeah, mod, that's the LCM. So let's move on to number, I always, my hand is busy like touching the lower portion of the slide. What number are we now? Number 4. Okay, I hope that this one maybe, let me write this. So for the solution, we'll have here, okay, equals. We have LCM, quantity x plus 1 and quantity x minus 2. And divide x plus 1 times quantity of x minus 2 by x plus 1. Yeah, okay. Cut. So what is left is quantity x minus 2. Multiply this to 4. This is it. Plus. Okay, let me erase the solution for this. Okay. And the other one is divide x plus 1. This. Quantity x plus 1. Divide this by x minus 2. So the answer is x plus 1. Quantity x plus 1. Multiply this with 9. And simplify the numerator by distributive property. Using distributive property. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, or just write minus 8. Plus 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 1 is 9. All over, just copy the denominator, quantity x plus 1 and quantity x minus 2. Simplify. 4x plus 9x is 13x. Negative 8 plus 9 is plus 1. All over, quantity x plus 1 times quantity x minus 2. No need to multiply the denominator because the denominators in the examples here are already factorized. No need to multiply. So let's check. 4x, 9x, 13x, negative 8 and 9 is 1. And this is the answer. Okay. The P, your answer is 13x plus 1 all over quantity x plus 1 and quantity x minus 2. I'll give you point for that. The P of, I don't know, what is your number? What is your class? That is correct. Good job, the P. You're fast. Who else? Yeah, number 10. You're number 10. I see it. Sorry, it's number 10. Yes? Araya, your answer is also the same. You see, I remember the P, Arayalin, Fumids. I always remember these 3 students. Also, Pita. Yes, I remember. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, number 5 is this. How do you add these unlike algebraic fractions? By the way, if you have questions, if you think I'm fast, you may approach me in the office, M.3 office, during your break time. I might be there, but sometimes if I'm not around, just go back second or the third time because I'm also busy teaching P4, P6, and doing also online class for M4. Full mids? Yes, that's the LCM. So let's move on to this. Okay. Hon, Napat, is that the LCM of this number? The P, the LCM of number 5. Yeah, the P, your number 10 of 3/8. Okay, let's move on. The LCM is equal to, equals quantity of x plus 2, quantity of x plus 3. You have to write x plus 2 only one time. Since it's already here, so you have to write only x plus 2 one time. And also, of course, copy quantity x plus 3. Okay. Now, divide this by this, the same, so the answer is just 1 plus. Divide this by x plus 2, the answer is x plus 3. Multiply it to 1, the answer is still x plus 3. And we have here x, 1 plus x plus 3. So we have x plus 1 plus 3 is 4 over quantity of x plus 2 times quantity of x plus 3. Again, no need to multiply these two factors with each other. That's it. That's the answer. X plus 4 over quantity x plus 2. Porn Pogi. 3/8, number 23. That's correct. Okay. Supakit of M3/5. Do you have the answer? The P, what is your answer? Correct? Fumid? Yes, correct. Good job. Who else? Chayapat Osanon. M3/, yes, very active students from M3/8. Araya, your answer? Correct. Jesly. Oh, I thought you're giving me the answer. Jesly is already 147. You just came online. Welcome to my class. Minnie Smith. Chanawit Chai-chan of M37, number 34. Welcome to my class. You're late now. Don't forget to come to my class at 1:20. Okay, let's move on to the last two. Where is it? Okay, number 6. How about number 6? Find the answer. How to add this unlike algebraic fractions. So, we have here this. So, it's equal to, you can get the factors of x squared minus 9, difference of two squares, which are x plus 3, quantity x plus 3, x minus 3, and copy 3 plus, we factor first, 7 over the two factors are x plus 3 and x plus 2. Yes, so you can see now the 4 factors, and from these factors we can find the LCM. So we have to take 1x plus 3, only 1, and then another we have quantity x minus 3 and x plus 2. There are 3 different binomial factors in the denominator. No repetition of the factors in the denominator. Cannot repeat. So we only copy 1x plus 3 and copy x minus 3 and copy the factor x plus 2, put them in the parentheses, and divide this LCM by x squared minus 9. We know that x squared minus 9 is x plus 3, x minus 3. So the remaining would be x plus 2. Multiply x plus 2 to 3. So this is 3 plus, also, let me erase this one. Also divide this, this to this by x plus 3, x plus 2. Divide this by x plus 3, x plus 2. So you cut x plus 3, cut x plus 2. The remaining would be, let me erase first this color. It should be red. So it should be x minus 3 multiplied to this number 7. The third step is to simplify. So this is 3x plus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 7 times x is 7x minus 3, which is minus 21, all over, copy quantity x plus 3, quantity x minus 3, quantity x plus 2. I don't have space here, so let me do this. The next solution on the left side. So this is equal to 3x plus 7x is 10x, and 6 this plus negative 21 is negative 15, or I will just write minus 15 all over copy x plus 3, copy x minus 3 in a parenthesis, and copy x plus 2. Let me check my answer fast. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And no need to multiply the denominator, the factors in the denominator. The answer Monrody of M3/3 is 10x minus 15. Very good, that's correct. From M3/3 number 49, yes. How about you, M3/8 number 38 with a Thai name, not an English name? Very good, good job. Araya, your answer is correct. Chayapat, very good, you're too fast. Correct, Pornpawi of M3/8. Oh, thank you for coming, M3/8. Very active students. I hope that the other students will write also the answers, not only from 3/8 and some other students from each class. 3/1, 3/2. Okay, that's the correct answer. And do we have more time? Okay, I think this is the last because I erased the other one. Okay, this is the last example, students. So before you do your homework, you copy your homework or take a selfie or maybe take a screenshot of your homework. Let's have the notes. Okay, always remember that the factors of each denominator are present without repetition. So no repetition of the factor in the denominator because we get only the least common multiple. Okay, next. Each numerator is then multiplied by each factor, which we did a while ago. So these are the two important notes that you have to remember in adding unlike fractions. When we say unlike fractions, these are the fractions with different denominators. Oh. Next, for the summary, what are like fractions? How do you define like fractions? Can you comment down below? Okay, just do it fast. Like fractions. What are like fractions? Very simple words. In very simple definition, what are like fractions? Okay, can I see one answer or two answers from two students? Okay, can you do it quick so you can do a screenshot of your homework? Okay, I'll wait for a few seconds. What are like fractions? And what are unlike fractions? So that you will remember. Okay, let's see. Quickly, students, type your answer. Like fractions are fractions with... Yes, the P, yes, correct. The P, your number 10 of 3/8, right? Same fraction, area, M3/1, number 2, correct. Very good, yes. Oh, Joradol, welcome to my class. You're late, yes or no? Area, correct. Fumid, what is 1/5? What do you mean by 1/5? Okay, Chayapat, what is it? Yes, correct, Chayapat, 3/8. Sombon, welcome to my class. You're late? Yeah, Araya, yes. How about unlike fractions? Yes, Pond, yeah, that's the same. Okay, how about unlike fractions? There are fractions with different denominators. Yes, Fumid, like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. Okay, unlike fractions are fractions with not the same denominator. Loipetai, that's correct. Not the same denominator. Okay, let's move on to this. What is the next one? For the reminders, the leader. Okay, you see on your screen, the leader of M3/8 is, I think, the most responsible leader. I don't know the leader, but maybe I will meet you later in class, in the classroom, because this leader always arrange the papers. Example, student number 1, student number 2, until student number 38. And he or she put a paper in front and then take note, Miss Edna, not yet submitted, number 5, example, number 1, number 3, done. So it's easy for me to copy the scores. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Where am I? Okay, I have here the list of your scores already from 9th of July until 30th of August. Yeah, so that's it. Very good. And calling all M3/6 students. M3/6 students. Only your class. 2 students submitted the work out of the 4 homework from July 9, 16, 23, 30. Only 2 students submitted the work. Students, only your class, M3/6. If you do not submit your work to me, it's up to you. You are making your own grade. I am just recording your grade and do the score, final. So if you don't like, what do I do? But I'm giving you next week to submit all late work and I'll give you 50% of the full score. How about M3/7? M3/7, please submit your work in my office. That's already the second time that you submit your work in IEP office. Please, my office is at M3 office, second floor, St. Peter building. And these are the students who are very responsible. M3/1. Student number 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 22. A lot more. 24, 26, 29, 30, 31. Student number 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, until 51, 53, 54. These are the students who submitted the work on time. All 4 homework on time. So, very good, very responsible. M3/2, no one submitted the work, the 4 work on time. Some of you submitted the work late. Example, too late to not late. M3/3, these are the students who submitted on time. All 4, 2, number 11, number 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 31, 37, 38, and 48. How about M3/4? Everyone submitted the work except 1. Student number 1, 9, 10, 14, 21, 33, 35, 37, and 40. M3/5. M3/6. M3/7. No one submitted all the 4 work on time. All 4 homeworks, no. You did not submit these 4 works on time. M3/8, everyone submitted except these numbers. Number 2, you did not submit your work on time. All 4 homeworks. 2, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 17 did not submit all 4 works on time. 18, 20, 21, 24, 27, 32, and 34. Okay? So please be aware that I'm recording everything that you are submitting to me. Next is this, I think your homework. Let's see. Late work is 50% of the full score. And your leader will be responsible in passing the work on time. The work is submitted on time. Submission is every Monday. Okay, follow the format, okay, with ID number. For your homework, could you please take a photo of this? Okay, do it. Okay, okay, next, number 3 and 4. There are only 4 numbers. You have to complete all your solutions. Students, that's it. So, yes, Varid, why are you laughing? Your name is here? Is included? Yes, Varid. So that's it, students. And I would like to remind you once more that please be responsible. You are now in M3. So thank you for coming. I hope that you're having a good day. This is again Miss Edna. See you next time. Bye-bye.